Hey everybody, Sylvie K here, and today I'm going to be making some uh, Asian style spring rolls. And what I have here is I have a package of spring roll wrappers, and these are just made with tapioca flour, rice flour, water, and salt. And I'm just going to soak one in some water, and I have some bean bread noodles that I probably had for 10 years. Don't know, but there ain't nothing wrong with them. They've been well stored. And I have some uh, cucumbers, and I have shredded up my carrots since I don't have any teeth. Otherwise, I would like to have them in matchsticks. Uh, and I have some organic smoked salmon and some avocado slices with some cilantro. And so now I'm going to set my little wrapper guy here. I can get the bloody lid off again. Put it on. Doesn't take long for the water to penetrate these guys here. Now once your rice paper is pliable, just take and lay them out on a plate here. I'm going to start on one end of your paper here. And when you're rolling up your little guy here, just kind of try to remember to put your things in a little decoratively because they're see-through wrappers after all. These would be real nice to have on a nice hot day. And you can put in for your fillings just about anything that you like. And you can put shrimp, you can put chicken or just all vegetables or whatever. There's no standard for what you can put in them. A lot of people use bib lettuce too. Like I said, there's no end to what you can put in these things. Now, if anybody's watched my videos in the past couple of days or so, you recall that I made some pistachio paste, um, and actually, I don't think I've ever made spring rolls with rice paper wrappings like this ever in my life. But I have made egg rolls, and I'll do an egg roll video sometime before too long. But most of the recipes that you see with spring rolls and stuff and at restaurants and everything, they always have a peanut dipping sauce. Well, I decided to be a little different since I'm different and thought, well, why can't I use pistachio paste instead of peanut butter? So that's what I did. And I didn't really measure anything out, but everything that I put in it, I put in some rice wine vinegar. I don't know if you can see it somewhere there. Rice wine vinegar, mirin. And I had some of this spicy chili sauce. It's actually a kimchi base. And some sesame seed oil and some organic shoyu. And I put some minced garlic in it and a little bit of minced ginger and a good squeeze of lemon. And I'll tell you what, this stuff is really pretty tasty. Yeah, it is. Damn, that's good. And the other thing I'll use is this stuff right here. This is really a nice sweet chili sauce that's sold at the grocery store here. And I've only ever had it with my egg rolls, but I'm going to have it with some of these spring rolls today. So anyway, I hope somebody tries this stuff because it's really, really good. And as far as I'm concerned, the peanut sauce ain't got nothing on this pistachio sauce. And I think that the longer it sits, the more the garlic and ginger would marry into it. But at any rate, it's really good. So on this rainy day, I hope everybody's well. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. And like I said, if you don't like one video, I'm bound and determined to come up with something that you might like. So make sure you subscribe, tell your friends, leave a comment, and I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.